The fog has finally cleared on the first expedition, and the victor has claimed the ultimate prize. But before this top secret cargo can clear customs, we've got to get it ready for its special delivery. I'm dressing this package up to look like an authentic cargo crate. I'm dropping in an official thank you note for me and a congratulatory certificate from the Commodore. And heading straight to the post office drop box. Safe travels, little crate. Just arrived at the post office and we're going to be dropping off the grand prize for its safe travels. Farewell, little package. And now we're back at my home tiki bar, the Sunken Compass, to endure that agonizing wait for the mail carrier. And to pass the time, we're mixing up a classic tropical drink with a perfectly fitting name, the Airmail. Created in the 1930s to celebrate the dawn of international airmail service, this drink was famously used by Bacardi to promote their gold rums. It's got a rich, aged rum base, lime juice, honey syrup, and a bubbly finish. It's sweet, tart, and dangerously effervescent. And of course, we'll make it the low carb on the high seas way. To make the Airmail Cocktail, you'll need 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of low carb on the high seas honey syrup, 1.5 ounces of aged rum. I'm using Bacardi 8 years. Shake it vigorously with ice or spindle blend. Double strain and top it with 2 to 3 ounces of dry champagne or sparkling white wine and garnish with a postage stamp. A rich drink for a rich victory. And speaking of airmail, it looks like our cargo just cleared for delivery. Let's check in on our winner.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
A massive congratulations to our victor, who is actually a fantastic tiki carver himself. It turns out the spirits of the expedition chose the perfect champion. Look at this incredible work. The first expedition is officially in the history books, and we've got just a few more days of open vault recipe archive access at prettyspooky.life. So get right over there to print them, protect them, and possess them. And the fog is already starting to roll back in on the second expedition. So if you want your name on the next piece of Pretty Spooky Cargo, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the upcoming details. And since it's always the more the scarier, be sure to share a scare, just scan and send to your spooky friends. Oh, and be sure to hang around for the Pretty Spooky Hidden Image game so you can find all 6 of them before they find you. It's creeping up real soon, so don't blink. It's closer than you think. I loved being your haunted hostess. You were a wonderful guest, and you're welcome back always. Farewell until next time. Cheers. Yes, woof. Tropical drink. Tropical drink. Wow. It's been a while. Okay, now that we have a microphone, I'm rusty. Tin roof rusted. All right, microphone. Good job. The airmail. The mare ale? Yep, the mare ale. Okay. Rusty. And to pass the time, whoopie. Isn't that like a blanket that kids carry? Or whoopie. Is that Psycho? This is really nice and different, by the way. Just want to say that as a side note. The honey does crazy things with the Bacardi 8 and the champagne. I like it. I really like it. It's very earthy. It's good. And sure. Hardy. Swedish chef. One more time. Yay!